how to get credit card for Discord Nitro. So if you want to get the credit card for your Discord Nitro, then just follow the steps. First, you need to open up your Discord and make sure to log into your account. You can also go with the application or you can go with the browser itself. So I'm here with my browser. And if you go with user settings, which is on the bottom left, then you will have the Nitro option right here. Just click on Nitro. Once you click on it, you will have the Nitro right here. So if you want to get the credit card or if you want to subscribe to Discord Nitro, you need credit card, right? And if you don't have your credit card, then what you need to do is just simply go with a new tab and search for Skrill. Once you've searched you will have www.skrill.com. Just simply click on it and go with register, which was on the upper right. So you just need to simply click on register. And once you go with the register section, then you just need to simply go and register your account on Skrill. Once you've registered, then you'll be able to get the credit card from Skrill and you can use the credit card on your Discord Nitro. So that's how you can get credit card for your Discord Nitro. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.